If you're like us, you'll agree this is pure nirvana. But you also know that moments like these don't happen without gear. Surfboards, beach chairs, umbrellas, shovels. Shovels? Yes, shovels. Introducing the DMOS Beach Shovel. It's a durable and high-quality two-piece all-aluminum travel shovel that is so lightweight it can be carried by a 4-year-old or even an 84-year-old. Today's beach shovels are poor excuses for gear. They're cheap, plastic, balsa wood kiddie shovels that break and end up in landfills or on the coastline. They litter the very beach we are there to celebrate. With the beach shovel, our design team wanted to strike the balance between strength, portability, and ergonomics. The DMOS Beach Shovel is made out of 8-gauge thick 5052 aluminum for strength. It is 33 inches long when assembled so that it's easy on your back, and it breaks down to two 17-inch segments for ease of carry. From backpack to back of car, the DMOS Beach Shovel is the most portable, full-size, lightweight, all-purpose shovel you can own. And what's more, it's made out of aluminum, which is the most abundant, recyclable resource on the planet. Unlike other beach shovels, DMOS offers an option for sustainable consumerism and lightens the load of plastic on the ocean we all love. Allow us to introduce ourselves. We're DMOS Collective. Since 2015, we've been making pro shovel tools to elevate the art of digging and enhance experiences in the outdoors. Our 3 prior Kickstarter campaigns were funded successes, and we've earned a cult following and media acclaim along the way. Today, our Stealth, Alpha, and Delta shovels are used worldwide by pros from action sports to power sports, everyday shovelers to year-round overlanders, responders and defenders to van lifers. Now we're back to elevate the art of digging for every beach body. The DMOS Beach Shovel is the lightest weight and simplest shovel in our line. Use it to make sandcastles, dig in beach umbrellas, tend bonfires, or dig out of sand. We even threw in a bottle opener in the blade for good luck. It's a versatile shovel that's for everyone: moms, dads, teens, surfers, volleyball players, friends, families, parties. When you buy DMOS, you get an ironclad warranty, and you're given the chance to use your dollar to vote for sustainable products, conscious consumerism, and American jobs. Break new ground, build a sandcastle, plant a tree, or put out a campfire. Do it all with the DMOS Beach Shovel. Back our campaign today and join the DMOS Collective. Thank you for your support, and let's keep crushing it.